Today we are making shepherd's pie. Right here we have our chicken broth, our onions, our celery, and our mixed vegetables. We're moving on to our seasonings, which we have. We have some flour, oil, and tomato paste. Here is our ground beef. And we're going to add our onions and some butter in the pan, and we're going to brown those. We're going to add our garlic. We're going to mix that in with our onions. We're going to brown our garlic a little bit. And we're moving on. We're going to add our ground beef. And we are going to brown our ground beef. So once your ground beef is done, you want to drain the excess juices off. And then you want to I forgot to add my celery. So I'm adding my celery. You want to add your celery in with your onions and your garlic. Then once that is done, everything is mixed. You can see that we drained off all the juices. And we're going to go in and we're going to add our flour. And you just want to coat all of your ground beef with your flour. That's going to help thicken up the shepherd's pie once you add it into your baking dish. Making sure everything is coated with the flour. Now we're adding in our tomato paste. And you just want to mix all that in together. We are adding our dry thyme, our salt and pepper. And now we're adding in our chicken stock, or you could use beef stock. I had chicken stock on hand. And we're just going to make sure that everything is incorporated together. Mix, mix, mix. Everything is coming together. Now here you want to add just a half pack of now you want to stir. And once that's incorporated, we're going to add our vegetables, our mixed vegetables. They are frozen. And I added 1 cup. And we're just going to mix. Now I'm adding some more salt and pepper to taste before I add them to my baking dish. Now right here I'm adding the ground beef mixture into my baking dish. I have a separate video where I prepared my mashed potatoes. If you want to go over there and check that out. But you want to have at least 3 cups of mashed potatoes, and we're going to add the mashed potatoes on the top in just a second. This turned out really yummy. I hope you try it. It was really delicious. Pat. And now we're adding our mashed potatoes. Then I added a little bit of cheese that I had in the refrigerator. So we're just going to sprinkle that on the top. Then you want to stick this in your oven for about 5 minutes, about 550 degrees. Then you want to put it on broil for about 5 minutes, but you want to keep a watch on it so you don't burn it. Then I sprinkled a little Parmesan cheese, a little parsley on the top. And there it is. It was very delicious. We're gonna dig in here. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. You see it's still bubbling. Once again, I want to thank you for tuning in to Baby We Eat.